In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can freeze a clip on CapCut using your desktop or PC. Freezing clips in CapCut is crucial for enhancing video storytelling and audience engagement. It allows you to emphasize key moments, drawing attention to important details or actions that might otherwise be overlooked. To do this, simply head into your CapCut. To import a video from your files, simply tap right here on Import and then to choose a video will get added just like mine right here. To freeze a clip from this video, you will have to choose a part of the video you want to freeze. You will then left-click on the video and right-click on it again to get to these options. Head into this Edit option. Select on Freeze. Your clip will freeze. To trim it, simply long hold on the last end of the clip to drag it where you want it to be. That's how easy it is to freeze clips in your video on CapCut. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.